Hi everybody, it's Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. Welcome. It's a little different, right? You're seeing my face. I don't usually do these kinds of videos, and we're not making anything, but I want to share with you some really exciting things that are happening. Let me turn off my camera here. Oh, great. So that fell. That's okay. I just want to turn off my camera here. So, hey Chris, I just want to share with you guys a few things that are happening starting tomorrow. So tomorrow, the Occasions catalog and the Celebration catalog goes live. Hey Kathy. And that means you can start ordering from this catalog, and that also means you can get free product from this catalog. Now, I can't open these catalogs up and share with you anything quite yet. I need to wait until tomorrow to do that. But you guys saw earlier, I did a video where we made this card and I shared some product with you guys. And I just filmed, that's why my camera was on. I just filmed my walkthrough of both of these catalogs that will go up tomorrow. They're about 30 minutes long, so they're a little bit longer than my normal videos, but I walk you through all the different product in here. I share with you what my favorite product is and what I purchased right away, and then also what I'm waiting to purchase. So sometimes that's helpful for you guys. And then I also show you some cards I've made. I share with you guys some of this paper. Let me grab it. Some of this paper right here, which is vellum, and we just talk about all the product in there. So what I want to share with you today, because I feel like I want you guys to be ready for when the catalog goes live tomorrow, is the option to join Stampin' Up! Or to buy the purchase the starter kit. So I'm going to show you one page in here just because it's really just like a flyer. I don't think you guys are seeing anything that isn't okay. It's this right here. So what I want to do is talk to you guys today about the two options to purchase that starter kit. And really, that just means you're getting free product. Okay, so I always say it's not a big deal when you join Stampin' Up. It's just like a Costco membership. So when you go to Costco, you get a membership, you pay $50 for the year or whatever you're paying. And then if you don't want a Costco membership the next year, you don't have to get it. It's the same thing with Stampin' Up. You purchase the starter kit and you become a demonstrator. If you don't want to stay a demonstrator, you don't have to. You can go back to being a customer, my customer, whatever you want to do if you don't want to do it. So during Celebration, Stampin' Up always offers a really amazing deal for when you purchase that starter kit. So here is this amazing tote. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet. There's some flyers out. Definitely demonstrators have had the opportunity to purchase it. But this is so cute, you guys. It's a tote bag. It has the Stampin' Up! Emblem. And then there are two different options for you to join starting tomorrow that are phenomenal. The first one is just the first normal option is you pay $99, you get free shipping, but you pick out $175 in product. You can pick out product from the new Occasions catalog or the annual catalog. You can do both, okay? So these are the two catalogs you'll be ordering from. You can get stuff off the clearance rack. You can get stuff that there's a couple things that are, I think online only. They're not in a publication, meaning they're not in one of our catalogs. You can get that. And then you don't pay shipping and you get that $75 in free product. The second option, which is the option I would really encourage you to do, is you pay $129. You get $175 in product and this free bag. So I just want you guys to be able to look at that and see that. You can fit all your craft items in there. You can see there's little pockets. You guys know I'm a bag girl. Like, I love my bags. I love my purses. And this is pretty phenomenal. I would definitely use it if I was doing classes. I'm getting ready to start another local class. And I think it would be great to have this to carry my projects in. You guys know I use my Stamparatus bag for my planners that I love. So even those types of things you could use this for. And it's a very sturdy bag. It's well made, and I love that it has the Stampin' Up! Emblem on it. So starting tomorrow, I just want you guys to be aware of this, because if you're going to place an order anyways, if you're going to place an order and it's going to be close to $100, you might as well join and get the purchase that starter kit and then get the free product. And then once you join, you're a part of my team, which is amazing because we have so much fun. Chris is a part of my team. We have an exclusive Facebook page where we hang out. We have color challenges and prize patrols. We have a creative rally we attend every month. It's just a fun community of stampers where you can share what you're stamping. And then on top of it, you get a discount on all of your Stampin' Up! Product. You get a 20 to 25% discount on all of your product. So if you're already purchasing, there's several of my customers, I'm talking to you guys, there's several of you that are already placing at least $100 order with me every single month. And so you might as well get the purchase that starter kit, get the bag, get the free shipping, and save money on your orders. And then, like I said, if you don't want to stay a part of Stampin' Up!, if you want to go back to being a customer, it's totally okay. Like, nobody's going to come, lock you up, throw you in a red room, like a red rubber room, and you're not going to be in trouble. I promise you. I promise. So the reason I'm sharing this is because if you're getting ready to order, you're wanting to order right away tomorrow from the Occasions catalog, really think about this. So if your order is close to $100 or $129, join Stampin' Up! I will put my link in the comments here. I'm going to upload this to Facebook right away. I'll put my links in the YouTube description here. If you're going to do that, join, get that, purchase that starter kit, and get the tote bag. So this does say while supplies last. Makes me a little nervous. So I don't know if you wait until March and you want to join to get the bag, it may not be here. I can't promise. So if you're really wanting to get the tote bag, it's not available to purchase at all anymore. Even Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, we're not able to purchase it anymore. We were able to pre-order it about a month ago, and we don't have any more to purchase. So anyways, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Chris, hey Debbie. Chris said, it's a great team, so much fun to create with others. I love that. I'm glad Chris is a part of our team. She does a lot on our team page. She does the creative challenges, Mix It Up Monday she does, and she does Challenge Thursday, Focus Friday. She does a lot of, and there's lots of inspiration there. So if you guys have any questions about joining, let me know. And if you're on YouTube, you can leave it in a comment or you can email me. But I just wanted to share with you. I didn't want to wait and share this tomorrow, and then maybe you've already placed an order and you think, well, I would have done that if I hadn't already placed an order. So I wanted you guys to be prepared. So there's a little bit of a delay. I'm just going to wait 1 second to see if anybody has any questions. I don't ship to New Zealand. I wish I did. I can only do business in the U.S. That is per Stampin' Up! I am only allowed to do business in the U.S. For people joining or purchasing product from me. And I don't know if we're... Yes, can you unjoin and rejoin later? You can't unjoin. I mean, you could just not purchase anything and then you would not be, you could join later. I was thinking, how could I like sign my husband up or something to get the bag? Isn't that awful, you guys? I would never, but I was thinking, what could I do to get this bag? I missed the opportunity to purchase it. There was only a small window of time and I missed it. Hey, Debbie. Debbie's a part of our team too. She's watching. Did I miss somebody else? I think Kathy is. Is Janet? Maybe. Are you? Hi from Maine. Hi, Anita. The name, I'm not recognizing the last name, but I think you are. Are you not? Have you been? Janet, have you been a part of our team? I feel like you have. Or am I making that up in my head? Whatever it takes to get the bag, right? Okay, guys, it doesn't look like there's any questions, so I'm going to let you go. And I will pop my links into this video, and then I'll pop this on YouTube. So thank you guys for hanging out with me twice today. It was awesome. And I'll be back on Friday to hang out with you. That's what it is, Janet. You totally used to be a part of our team. Come back and join us. Right? I'm pretty sure. Okay, thanks, guys. I'll chat with you later.